Okay, so my Scala SDK downloaded, and the first thing I got is this message. You need to add this library, this Scala library to this project. So you're going to click OK and add the Scala. Usually there are three main files that we need for the library: Scala compiler, Scala library, and Scala reflect. And we need the same one in classes and the compiler path. So all looks good. We click apply and we click OK. So if you notice here, the libraries are being imported to the project, right? We can also check in the external library. We have 11, which is our JDK, and we have Scala SDK as well. So it means we have this Scala already in our project. Okay, so now to test to see if a Scala is installed, if you click new, you can create a new Scala class. I think we are almost done with installing our environment. And in the next sessions, we're going to learn how to write our first Scala class. Thank you.